Meaning of Homo erectus.
Homo erectus.
Homo erectus.
Homo erectus.
Homo erectus. Homo erectus is an extinct species of human that lived between 2 million and 117,000 years ago. Its name means upright man in Latin, and it is known for being the first hominin species to have a modern-looking body structure. Homo erectus had a larger brain than its predecessor, Australopithecus, and was able to use tools and control fire. It is believed that Homo erectus was the first hominin species to migrate out of Africa and spread throughout Asia and Europe. The species went extinct around 117,000 years ago, possibly due to competition from other hominin species.